1. Preparations before installation. Here we show the installation and operation of 1390 laser machine. Before installation, we should prepare 220 volts, 110 volt power supply, a computer, pure water, screwdrivers, pliers, the voltage regulator in case the voltage is unstable or laser power is higher than 150 watt, suggest equipped. 2. Open the package and verify the machine accessories. Firstly, remove the outer wooden box. Then tear down the machine outside stretch film carefully. After opening the wooden box, find the related accessories and double check. A whole set laser machine should include an installed machine, laser tube, water chiller, air pumps, exhaust fans, toolbox, and file bag. After careful inspection, please contact our factory promptly if there is damage. 3. Chiller installation. Firstly, find the water chiller, 2 water pipes, and the power line. Open the water injection cap of water chiller to fill the pure water. Then tighten the cap. Connect the water pipes. Please connect one end to the outlet of water chiller and connect the other end to the inlet of machine. Then connect the other pipe, one end to the inlet of water chiller and the other end to outlet of the machine. Find the water protection line and put the right end to the connector of water chiller. Then please connect the power line to the back spile of machine. Make sure water chiller is off. Different machines use different water chiller. We also have CW3000, CW6000 and others, all of them installed in the same way. 4. Pump installation. Find the air pump. Connect one end of air pipe to air pump and the other end to air inlet of machine. Then connect the power line of air pump to the back spile of machine. Five. Exhaust fan installation. Find out the exhaust fan, air pipe and power line. Prepare pliers and a screwdriver with the plain end. When you get the air pipe and hoop, please clamp the hoop to air pipe. Connect one end to the inlet of exhaust fan and tighten the hoop. Connect the other end to machine and tighten it. Then connect the power line. Pay attention. Please make sure the exhaust fan is closed after installation. Different customer with a different work table. The connecting is as follows. Blade work table. Honeycomb work table. Up-down work table. 6. Laser tube installation. Open back cover of the machine. Hold it up. Remove screws on the laser tube holder. Take out the laser tube from packing box and put it on the holder. When installation, we should ensure the distance between laser outlet and the first reflecting mirror is 1 to 4 cm. The water outlet should be upturned. Then tighten the laser tube holder screws. Connect the laser tube inlet pipe and outlet pipe well. Tack down the high voltage cap. Tighten the high voltage line and cover up the high voltage cap. Then connect the low voltage line and tighten again. For other different models laser tube, the installation as follows. The installation is similar. 7. Turn on the machine under precautions. Find the machine's power line. Insert to the machine back socket correspondingly. Insert the power line plug into the power supply board to put through the power supply. In sequence, turn on the emergency stop switch, machine switch, and lamp switch. Then turn on water chiller switch. Open laser tube back cover to ensure water is circulating. When the laser tube is filled up with water, there will not be air bubbles inside. Finally, turn on the laser power supply switch. 8. The laser path adjustment. 1. The laser path adjustment requirements. 1. The incident point of laser on the reflect mirror locates within 10 mm diameter range of lens center. Approach to lens center as close as possible. 2. When laser head is on the 4 limit position of the machine, top left corner, the bottom left corner, the bottom right corner, and the top right corner, the laser beam can rip into from front center of laser head and shoot from the center of a focus lens. 2. Notice when adjusting laser path. 1. Don't put the body in the middle of the laser path to avoid the laser burns. 2. Before adjustment, we must install the cooling water. Forbidden to adjust the laser path when cooling water uninstalled or poor cooling water circulation. 3. Laser path adjustment steps. 1. Move the laser head to the top left corner of the machine. With a thing, prepare a piece of transparent acrylic and a pressed laser to test whether the laser should shoot on the center of the first mirror and the second mirror within the range of 10 mm diameter. 2. Remove the third reflecting mirror and the focus lens cone to prevent lenses contamination, and paste white double-sided adhesive tape on the third mirror position. 3. Adjust the y-axis laser path. Move laser head to the top of corner and bottom left corner, RBI. Make the 2 points coincident. If not coincide, please adjust the first mirror by regulating screws, repeating the above steps until coincident. 4. Adjusting the x-axis laser path. Move laser head to the bottom left corner and bottom right corner, RBI. Make the 2 points coincident. If not coincide, please adjust the second mirror by regulating screws, repeating the above steps until coincident. 5. Make sure the top left, bottom right corner are in coincidence. Then adjust the laser head to the center. 6. Move the laser head to the top of left corner of the machine and press laser. Make sure the laser spot is located in the center of the round hole 2 mm diameter range. Let it approach to the center as close as possible. If it is not in the center, adjust upper and lower deviation, left and right deviation. 7. Upper and lower deviation adjustment. If the laser spot has upper and lower deviation, please lower or raise the laser tube. Adjust the front bracket by knob. Clockwise is for upper and counterclockwise is for lower. Until to the center. And then repeat 3.4 steps to make sure the laser spot coincide. And then repeat step 6.7 until the laser spot in the center. 8. Left and right deviation adjustment. If the laser spot is deviation in the left and right, please move the second mirror frames to outwards or inwards. If the laser spot in the center left, please move the second mirror to outwards. If the laser spot in the center right, please move the second mirror to inside. And then repeat step 4. Let x-axis points coincide with laser spot. And then repeat step 8. Repeating the 4 and 8 steps until the laser spot is in the center of the hole completely. 9. Finally verify a laser head. In top left corner, bottom left corner, bottom right corner, top right corner, whether the laser head in the center and coincide. If not coincide, repeat the above steps. 10. Install the third mirror and focus lens horn. Adjust the laser outlet center position with the double-sided adhesive tape to press laser and get a spot. Let the laser spot out from the nozzle. If not in the center, please adjust the third mirror by the screws until spot shot from the center of the nozzle. 9. Machine software installation and download. Test. Find the data cable from the file bank. Connect the computer and the machine together. Find CD. Put into the computer CD-ROM drive. Copy the software to your computer. Open the software installation program. Then install the software. Open the software on the desktop icon after installation. Draw a simple square, set up parameters. Then choose and download. If you can hear the voice D from the machine panel, that means the machine was connected well. Detailed introduction of laser software is in the CD-ROM. Please read carefully. 10. Attached software using. Mainly used to design software such as CAD, ArtCAD, Adobe Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator. Designed by Adobe Photoshop could just be used for engraving patterns, and the others could be used for engraving and cutting patterns. Now we take CAD as an example here. Draw a simple figure by CAD and save it in DXF format. Open the laser machine software, import the saved figure. Then you will be prompted to merge connected lines. Fill in the combined tolerances. Make the figure close. Then set the parameters for cutting or engraving. Then download to the machine and process. If use other software require different operations, please read the operation manual. 11. Cutting and engraving functions. Open the software, text some word. and set parameters. Put a piece of acrylic plate beneath the laser head. Adjust the standard focal length, then start to engrave. Carting operation is the same. Use the software to set the cart figure. Then put an acrylic plate to the laser head to see the effect. Shape carting is also perfect. Machine control panel functions and using. Buttons on the machine's work panel have different functions. First, you can press the reset button to reset the machine. And then press the upper and lower, left and right direction button to adjust the position of the laser head. Then press the locating key to locate. Press the test button to test. If no problem, you can press the stop button to walk. When walking, you can press the pause button to pause. Press the stop button to stop. When the machine unforeseen circumstances, you can press the emergency stop switch to make the machine power off. By pressing the Z, U key on the front panel can convert up and down work platforms. You can press the up and down arrow keys to make the platform up or down. When the platform up or down to the limit, then it will automatically stop. There are two types of downloading: online downloading and offline downloading with U-Disk. U-Disk downloading operating as follows. For some figure, you can draw by your computer and also can click to download. Save the output path to the U-Disk. U-Disk inserted in the machine USB interface. Click the panel and select the file name. Press Enter. The files will be saved on the panel. Then unplug the U-Disk. Click the panel to the processing. 13. Turn off the machine and precautions. Turn off the machine after finishing work. Turn off the laser power switch, water chiller switch, lamp switch, machine switch, the emergency switch in sequence. Close the machine cover. Disconnect the machine strip main power to keep safe. 14. Maintenance and precautions. Regular maintenance of the machine is needed. Open the lid of the machine. Wipe off the dust on the rail by a clean rag. Then pour the machine oil on some clean cloth and wipe it again. The best is to do it 3 days one time. Another, irregular maintenance for 3 reflective mirrors. Because of the particularity of the mirrors, we need to use the echo and cotton swabs. First, wipe off the dirt on the mirrors carefully with a cotton swab, which moistened with alcohol. After the mirrors is clean, suck the residue alcohol with a dry cotton swab. Before we clean the focus lens, we need to open the lens cone carefully with the cone tool. After finish the lens maintenance, we need to put the lens into the cone. Make sure the flat or concave surface upward in the cone. Then put it carefully into the cone. Tighten carefully with the tool, shaking the cone lightly. It will be okay if the lens is not shaking in the cone. And then tighten it on the laser head. Lens maintenance should be once a day. Close the lid of the machine after maintenance. For prolonged life of laser tube, the cooling water in the chiller should be changed regularly. Open the drainage switch of the chiller, drain out of water. Refill the chiller with pure water. It should be replaced 7 days one time. When you long time not using the machine or freezing during the winter, make sure run off the water of the chiller and laser tube. Make sure the machine connect with ground. One end connect the machine ground wire interfaces. The other end connect the outdoor